8. Happy Monday. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. If you were in Boise yesterday, what a beautiful end to the weekend. If you were in places like Ontario, Nampa, Caldwell, wasn't quite as beautiful. We had that fog to contend with all day long. Still foggy in Ontario this morning, 32 degrees right now, 34 in Boise, 36 in Mountain Home. Feels much colder though. It's gotten very windy in Mountain Home. Sustained winds around 20 miles per hour this morning. 30 in Twin Falls, upper 20s right now up in Haley. So we do have that dense fog advisory in place for the lower Treasure Valley or the west end of the valley, the lower elevations in the valley. That's why we call it the lower valley, and Malheur County as well. That's through 11 o'clock this morning. But as the clouds start to increase, that wind starts to increase, and then we also have precipitation moving in, that fog will erode. So that dense fog advisory may not be in place all that much longer. Look at the precipitation right now rolling through areas like Glens Ferry up towards Fairfield and into the mountains. Now we're seeing some light snow, very scattered showers across places like the Boise Mountains. The foothills may be picking up a couple of little showers just north of Emmett. There's a pocket of precipitation. The Owyhees as well, seeing mostly rain at this point. Of course, temperatures are pretty mild, and they will be again today above average in the places that get to enjoy some sunshine. If you stay socked in by fog, of course, the temperatures will be a little harder to predict, but there's plenty of moisture coming in. That is a given for tonight and into tomorrow for sure. 2 taps of moisture. Look at California getting hit with all kinds of rain right now. Pacific Northwest also. So kind of you can see the split areas of moisture here. This is the one that will likely impact us the most. That is what right now is sending precipitation in our direction. So this loop starts us, or this futurecast starts at 6 o'clock tonight. Cloudy skies for most of the day. Some sun breaks here and there, but we'll call it a mostly cloudy day. Also some little spotty showers possible today, but the real rain arrives tonight. This is 11 o'clock. Look at this. The deeper the green, the heavier the rain. We'll start seeing some light mountain snow. The rain will continue overnight. This is tomorrow morning. Kiddos will have a wet wait at the bus stop. You'll likely be firing off those windshield wipers on your morning commute. And then those mountain passes will get tricky, and they'll stay dicey for the next couple of days. The rain will continue off and on all day tomorrow, as will the mountain snow. Finally, by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, we'll start seeing it start to dry up. Mother Nature will shut off the tap a little bit by then. Wednesday we'll have a mostly sunny day, but we could still, throughout the day Wednesday, in our far northern central mountain locations, still pick up a little bit of snow. So the big question for a lot of us is Bogus going to benefit a lot from this first round? Unfortunately, not a lot, maybe an inch and a half. That's what the computer models are saying right now through Wednesday morning. There is another round of precipitation coming in Thursday, so we'll see if that one has some better news for Bogus. Up in the Long Valley, we're looking at possibly 5 inches for Brundage, just a couple of inches though in the mountain valleys. The purple you see is indicative of maybe 6 to 12 to 18 inches, but these are in the very high peaks above about 7,000 feet. So we are going to see snow. Is it going to be a lot? Is it going to be enough to give Bogus the boost they need? That remains to be seen. It doesn't look like it from the computer models, but as we know from the last couple of weeks, they have been wrong at times. So we will keep a close eye on that for tomorrow. Look at our temperatures though for the Boise area. Today we'll hit 43 degrees. Tomorrow, even with that rain, 43. It'll be breezy though. We haven't had wind to deal with in quite some time, so kind of some blowing rain. Not a real pleasant day, even though the temperatures will be okay tomorrow. Wednesday we dry up briefly down to 40 degrees, and Thursday 45 with another round of showers, and our temperatures stay above average all the way through the coming weekend.